Welcome back. In this video, I will show you how to use the eToro app. So let's get started. The eToro app offers a beginner-friendly trading screen for manual trading. There is no learning curve, and using the app only requires a few clicks unless traders enable one-click trading. Here is a quick guide on how to place your first trade after you have verified and funded your account. Log into your eToro app. Find the asset you wish to buy and click Trade. In the order window, you can trade at the market rate, the default setting, or click Rate to set a pending order at your desired price. You can also select the total amount you wish to trade or click Units to choose how many units of the asset you want to buy. Review your order, pay attention to the details, and click Set Order to place your order. You can also explore the news feed to see what other traders are discussing and follow the latest market trends. The News and Analysis section provides market updates, while the Market Analysis section lets you view analyst recommendations for different stocks. And that's it. You've successfully learned how to use the eToro app and place your first trade. I hope this video helped you. If you found this tutorial useful, please don't forget to like this video, subscribe to the channel, and share it with others. Thanks for watching.